I'm Jan from My Hearing Center, a division of Odd Practice in Palm Springs and Boynton Beach, Florida. It's free. It's totally free. That is how much a hearing test costs when you come to see me, or a hearing evaluation, we sometimes like to say that it is. So let's talk, you and me, a little bit about what our procedure is. So first of all, you have to call to make an appointment, okay? I want you to call, make an appointment. Maybe you don't have a hearing loss. Maybe you think maybe you do. Maybe you're not sure. Come on in, it's free. Let us see what it is. Maybe you have a loved one, a grandparent, a parent, a friend, an aunt, an uncle, a child, not little, but your children. Come on in. Let me see them, let me evaluate. So once you make the appointment, remember it's free, you're going to come in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some information from you. Are you having trouble? Where are you having trouble? What's going on? Who is it you're having difficulty hearing? And then we'll do a complete hearing test. And then we'll talk about the results. Maybe you're not ready for a hearing device yet. Maybe you are, and that's great because I can give you great hearing with the devices that are out there. But maybe right now you're not quite ready, and so what we'll do is we'll talk a little bit about the tips and the tricks and how you can hear better in certain circumstances, because that's important. We'll also take a look in your ears. Maybe it's wax, maybe that's what the problem is. But whatever we'll do, it's free. There is not a charge. So I need you to come and see me so I can let you know how your ears are working. You know, I consider it brain hearing. It's 2 ears and a brain. It's a system that works together. And no, I'm not going to evaluate your brain, but I am going to evaluate your ears. And we're going to see maybe where you're having that difficulty. If you decide, and we decide, that you need to have hearing devices, what we'll do is I'll program a pair for you right then and there. Again, it's free, and we'll try them on. I want you to see how good hearing, how great hearing can sound. I'm then going to make you go take a walk. I'm going to let you go outside, go have a cup of coffee, go have lunch, go see what it sounds like to hear the world around you again. You probably have forgotten what the birds sound like, what music sounds like, even what a person that says, "Hi, how are you?" may even not, you've forgotten how that sounds. So that's what I want to talk to you about today. It's free. Come, make an appointment. See me. Let us find out what's going on with your ears. And if it's not you, you're making it for a loved one, make that appointment. Come with them. Let's talk. Let's see what's going on. Let me give you great hearing, because that's what I want to do. That's what makes me happy. That's what puts me in a spot that lets me say, I've helped you today. So give us a call. Make an appointment. Come on in for your free hearing evaluation. That's all. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining us today and for having this little chat. Bye.